Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chevy Equinox oil light. First, let's get your vehicle ready. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. If your Equinox has a push-button start, simply press the start button once without pressing the brake pedal. This powers up the electrical system, allowing you to access the necessary menus or controls. Many Equinox models allow you to reset the oil light through the Driver Information Center. Use the menu buttons, often found on your steering wheel or dashboard, to scroll until you see the Oil Life or Remaining Oil Life display. Once there, press and hold the Set/CLR or Reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the display changes to 100%. For some Chevy Equinox models, particularly older ones, you might use the accelerator pedal method. With the ignition still in the on position and the engine off, fully press the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times within a quick 5-second window. You should see the oil light flash, confirming the reset. If it doesn't, try repeating the process carefully. After attempting either reset method, turn your ignition completely off, then restart the engine to verify the oil light is no longer illuminated. Remember, resetting the light only clears the reminder. It does not change your oil. Always ensure you perform an actual oil change before resetting the light to maintain your engine's health. Refer to your owner's manual for specific details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.